This video shows you how to create a prompt with the AIPRM live crawling feature. You also learn two time-saving shortcuts, forking and variables. Now, I could start with a blank form and build a template from scratch, but instead, I'll clone an existing prompt and then add customizations. Go to ChatGPT and click the Public tab. Go to the search field and enter a keyword like crawl, select a prompt, and click the eye icon. When you find a prompt that looks like a good starting point, scroll down the form and click the Fork as Private Prompt button. A new form displays. Scroll down the form and change the text in the title field. Add your name to the author name field and click Save Prompt. On the dashboard, click the Own tab to see your prompt. When creating a prompt, it's helpful to imagine the prompt template field has three parts: primer, content, and variables. Place general instructions for the AI at the top of the field. That makes it easy to tweak the text if you ever clone this prompt. The text in the field helps the AI. It tells the AI to ignore past runs. This helps create a clean slate for your work, avoid redundant language, and use keywords in a certain language style, for example, plain English. The next section adds language related to the purpose of the prompt. For example, writing Facebook posts based on a blog article. These instructions serve four purposes. Give the AI a role to play. This context helps the AI focus on related content. Provide more context and describe a desired outcome, for example, more clicks. Provide direction on the quality of the content, for example, features and benefits, for the intended reader. Now here I introduce the first variable, which I specify in the input field. Set the word length, which is another variable. The final section names the variables. To enable the live crawling feature, you must include the crawled text placeholder. If you insert other variables, you must name them here as well. Enter useful and accurate text in the descriptive fields. This information does not impact the AI model, but it does help future users in the community if you decide to make the prompt public. Be sure to set the prompt to private while you're working on it. And when you're finished with the first round of updates, click Save Prompt. To run the prompt, click the prompt name one time. That name displays in the top left corner of the input field. Add values to the variable fields, if available. Optionally, configure other settings like output, tone, and style. Paste in the URL of the page, and click the Send Message icon. ChatGPT generates the content. In this example, the output doesn't meet the template instructions. That's normal. In this case, the word count is higher than the limit set in the variable. The prompt engineer needs to go back to the template and tweak the instructions until the output meets expectations. That's it. Now you know how to create a live crawling prompt.